Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Garden Fix. I'm Rob, and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. Well, it's Easter weekend, and we thought we'd put in a little bit of color today. And so we saw this really pretty lupin at one of the local garden shops. And this is called Staircase Yellow. This lupin will get about 24 inches tall and about 16 inches wide. And we're going to set that in a new spot that we have. Last year, this whole area right here was just yard. So we actually mulched this out and planted a lot of things in here. And this lupin is going to go directly in the center of it, right here. So if you're wondering what this obelisk is next to it, we have a blue delphinium back here. And so the delphinium usually grows about 24 inches tall too, maybe a little bit bigger. And I really feel like those are going to complement each other. We're going to have yellow and blue. It's going to look great. Okay, so after we get that lupin in, we're going to put in a snapdragon. This snapdragon is called Snaptastic. And it, again, really pretty Easter colors. And we're going to set this one right in the front, right here. And that's going to spread through here. And we'll have some really nice color there that will complement each other. Pink, yellow, blue. That sounds great. So let's get these in the ground. All right, so Kristen was really searching for this one, and this is one of the plants she was very excited about. This is called a little honey oak leaf hydrangea. It is a dwarf variety, and it's going to get about 4 feet tall and about 3 feet wide. It is hardy down to zone 4, and as you can see, the one we got here has little buds on it. So one of the exciting things about this plant is the color. It has really dynamic color. In this early spring, when it leaves out in yellow. And then in the middle of the summer, the leaves turn to a chartreuse. And then as fall approaches, it starts turning orange to reddish. And so there's wonderful color year round. On top of that, it has white flowers. So lots of color in this little plant. And we're going to get that plant situated along this path right here. And we're going to put it in right about there. All right, lastly, we're going to put in this hardy cyclamen. This is called, this variety is called cyclamen coum. I've heard in England they were calling it coum. So I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but we're going to call it coum. Anyway, this is the bulb that came, and this variety will bloom very, very, very early, or you could say late winter, early spring, but really actually late winter. And after that, the foliage will look really nice. It'll leaf out, and then you really don't have to do much with it after that. The foliage will die back in midsummer, and you can basically just let it be. And then late fall, heading into winter, it'll start to grow again, and you'll get those wonderful early, very early spring flowers. So cyclamen coum thrives best in a very shady area and also a well-draining area. So we thought a great place for this would be underneath our bench, actually. So we're going to plant these under the bench, and it should look fantastic when it fills in under there as a little carpet of cyclamen. Okay, that went pretty well. So, lastly, I do want to wish everybody a very happy and joyous Easter. And I want to thank you all for joining us every time we do a video here. And if you have subscribed, thank you very much. And if you haven't, please think about doing it. It really helps and it encourages us to make more and more of these videos. So I think I'm going to end this video today with another little video of all the little flowers that we have blooming this Easter weekend. So until next time, guys, I'll see you in the garden. And the foliage then turns chartreuse, and then the foliage turns